welcome back to my channel, Great Education. Today's topic is how to subtract using a vertical algorithm. Subtracting numbers using a vertical algorithm is the best and easiest strategy which works with all the numbers. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So our first sum is 34 minus 12. Okay, so you write it out like this. 34 minus 12. Okay, so as I say always, you have to always start from the right hand side. So this column. So 4 take away 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. Now next column. 3 take away 1, which is 2. That's our answer. 34 minus 12 equals 22. You can see it's very simple. Okay, now we have a 3-digit number. Don't worry if the numbers get big. Just keep doing the same thing and you'll get to the answer. It's very, very easy. So write out your algorithm just like before. They have to be all in line. You can't have something out of the line because it's going to ruin all of your working out. Okay, starting off with the right hand side. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 5 is also 3. And 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So 687 minus 454 equals 233. Pretty easy, right? You can pause the video anytime you want. Okay, this sum. This would require some borrowing, and I'll show you why. Don't panic, it's very easy. Once you get it, you will be a pro at it. Okay, let's go. 5 minus 7. Oh my god, you can't do that. Okay, so 5 is a smaller number than 7 and you can't take away 7 from 5. So you have to borrow from the tens unit, from the next number from there, okay? So you have to borrow 1. So now the 2 becomes a 1 and the tens 1 goes in front of the 5. So now this number is not 5 anymore. It's 15. So what is 15 minus 7? That equals to 8. Pretty easy, right? You can pause the video anytime you want so you can clarify things step by step. So now we have 1 minus 5. Oh my god, you can't do that again. So we have to borrow from the next number over. You can only borrow 1 every time. So this is 7 and that becomes a 6 because we borrowed 1. And this one goes in front of this one, making it 11. 11 minus 5 equals to 6. So you put the 6 down. Now we have 6 minus 2. We can do that, that's pretty easy. That equals to 4. So 725 minus 257 equals 468. Next, 300 minus 182. This would also require borrowing, so don't worry, it's very easy once you get it. Okay, so zero minus 2, we can't do that. So you have to look to the next column. Oh, there's 0 here as well. We can't take this. So we have to go to the next column now. Okay, now we have a proper number, which is over 0. So we borrow 1 from the 3, and this becomes a 2, and this becomes a 10. Oh no, but we don't have a number here still. So now we have to borrow from this number, because now that's a 10. We can borrow from here. That's a 10, so we borrow 1, leaving us with a 9. Now that number is 9. The 1 comes in front of here. Okay, now we can do this. What is 10 minus 2? 8. 9 take away 8. That is 1. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So 300 take away 182 equals 118. You can rewatch the videos however many times you want, because this is a very easy strategy and you will get it. Trust me, it's very easy. So, I hope you understand everything very well now, and you can subtract using a vertical algorithm very well. This strategy will work anytime you want, with any numbers. No matter how long the number is, it will still work. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.